Imagine this. It's late 2025. The crypto market feels like a storm waiting to break, and whispers of the next big token are echoing across trading forums and X spaces. Among those whispers, one name keeps coming up: STBL. It's not a meme coin, not another hype-driven narrative. It's a project that sits at the intersection of stability, yield, and innovation. Yet, behind all the talk, there's a deeper story of risk, momentum, and trust. A story that could determine where STBL's price goes next. STBL isn't your average stablecoin project. It's part of a new wave of RWA-backed protocols designed to bridge DeFi and real-world value. But what sets STBL apart is its bold three-token model USST, the stablecoin pegged to the dollar, YLD, an NFT that captures yield, and STBL, the governance token that controls the entire ecosystem. Together, they form a system that doesn't just hold value, it works it. Instead of letting the principal sit idle like traditional stablecoins, STBL's design splits the yield generated from collateral into different components, creating opportunities for both passive income and active governance participation. It's a system that rewards innovation but also introduces complexity. And with complexity comes both opportunity and risk. The project's roadmap reads like a timeline of pivotal moments that could sway investor confidence. The expansion of USST minting and the integration of STBL's system into more DeFi platforms are major milestones slated for late 2025. These events could open new liquidity channels and attract institutional attention, especially as real-world asset, RWA narratives continue to dominate market discussions. Because at the heart of it all, STBL represents more than just a coin. It's a reflection of where DeFi is heading, toward real-world value, tangible yield, and transparent governance. Is testing how far crypto can evolve without losing its decentralized soul. Its success or failure could influence how future stablecoin protocols are designed and regulated. So whether STBL soars to new heights or stumbles under the weight of its complexity, one thing is certain. It's become a symbol of crypto's next great experiment in merging stability and yield, and the coming months will decide if that experiment becomes a revolution or a cautionary tale. In the end, the story of STBL's future price isn't about just numbers on a screen. It's about how innovation, trust, regulation, and human emotion collide in one unpredictable market, and how one project, with all its flaws and promise, might redefine what it means to be stable in the most volatile financial system ever built. The STBL TGE marks the launch of a three-token ecosystem founded by Reeve Collins, co-founder of Tether, featuring USST, a stablecoin backed by US treasuries, YLD, a yield token, and STBL, a governance token. The project raised pre-seed funding led by Wave Digital Assets, which manages over $1 billion. STBL's native token is now listed on Binance Alpha and Kraken. The Binance Alpha launch will occur on September 13th, and Alpha Points holders will receive early access via an airdrop. STBL introduces a yield-splitting model. Users mint USST using real-world assets, retain yield through YLD, and participate in governance via STBL. This contrasts with older stablecoins, where yield was kept solely by issuers. Following the launch, the STBL token surged. It rose over 300%, reaching a price of approximately 20 cents. It has a circulating supply of 500 million STBL and a market cap of around $100 million. The project is rolling out in phases with plans for enhanced governance features, cross-chain interoperability for USST, and staking mechanisms. There is an insufficient price history for STBL, so price predictions should be taken with caution. The STBL price hit its all-time high of 22 cents on September 16th and has traded inside an ascending parallel channel since. STBL reached a new all-time high of 24 cents today, but failed to break out from the channel's resistance trend line. Therefore, it is unclear if the upward movement is corrective or not. The positive sign is that STBL has reclaimed the $0.190 horizontal area and confirmed it as support. Whether the STBL token price breaks down from this support or bounces is key to determining the trend. A successful bounce could cause a retest of the channel's resistance at 25 cents, while a breakdown could take STBL down to the channel's support at 14 cents.